Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Maruti jumped 5.24% today, rising even as Nifty slipped by 0.34%. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see which stocks moved, why it happened, and the most important market levels now. Auto and consumer discretionary led the gains even as the broader index slipped. Nifty closed at 23,865 rupees 75, down 0.34% from a previous close of 23,946 rupees 25, after opening at 24,032 rupees 05. And reaching an intraday high of 24,035 rupees 55 and low of 23,829 rupees 2. The short-term indicators are mixed. RSI at 49.8 is neutral, while EMA9 at 23,921 rupees sits above EMA20 at 23,824 rupees, signaling a mild short-term bullish tilt despite the negative close. Volume reads as normal versus the 20-day average, and the immediate resistance sits near 24,090 rupees with support at 23,902 rupees. One multi-day note: FIIs have net sold for 2 straight sessions, while DIIs absorbed those flows for 2 sessions, which helps explain why pockets of the market climbed even as the index eased. The index sits about 3% below its 52-week high set 47 sessions ago, a reminder how a handful of strong names can drive sector rallies. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Maruti Suzuki opened at 13,744 rupees 0 and finished at 14,115 rupees 0, up 5.24%, with a high of 14,201 rupees 0 and a low of 13,510 rupees 0. Previous close was 13,412 rupees 0. The obvious reason today: heavy buying pushed the stock into a 20-day closing high breakout, and volume spiked to 3.22, the 20-day average. That looks like institutional conviction, not retail curiosity. Technicals show EMA9 at 13,620 rupees above EMA20 at 13,470 rupees and RSI at 68.3, which is near overbought readings and often precedes a short pause. The key level to watch is whether Maruti holds above support near 13,371 rupees and how it behaves around resistance at 14,201 rupees. It's within 0.6% of its 52-week high, so that zone is historically meaningful. Funny thing, the candle today looks like someone rushed to book a car before the weekend dramatic open, then a steady climb. Next up, a closer look at the financial heavyweight that also made noise today. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Bajaj Finance opened at 986 rupees 9 and closed at 1,004 rupees 75, up 2.94%, with a high of 1010 rupees 95 and a low of 977 rupees 7. Previous close was 976 rupees 05. The move coincided with a 20-day closing high breakout and an RSI at 79.7, which signals overbought conditions. That's an unusually hot reading for a large NBFC. EMA9 at 971 rupees sits above EMA20 at 948 rupees, reinforcing the short-term bullish trend, while volume at 1.28, the 20-day average, shows normal but steady participation. The key level to watch is resistance around 1011 rupees and immediate support near 969 rupees. How the price reacts at 1011 rupees will tell you whether the breakout has follow-through. And yes, the RSI at 79.7 looks like someone left the stove on overbought enough to make short sellers nervous. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Moving on, a consumer name rounded out today's top gainers. Titan Company started the day at 4277 rupees 5 and closed at 4404 rupees 0. Up 2.96%, with an intraday high of 4428 rupees 4 and a low of 4275 rupees 0. Previous close was 4277 rupees 2. There was no single news item in the data to explain the move, but the technical picture shows EMA9 at 4320 rupees above EMA20 at 4278 rupees and RSI at 66.3, a bullish setup that is not yet extreme. Volume ran at 1.55 the 20-day average, which suggests above normal interest without being frenzied. The key level to watch is resistance at 4442 rupees and support around 4267 rupees. Note the stock sits about 4.4% below its 52-week high set 37 sessions ago, so this is a near-high test zone. Dry joke, Titan's chart flirted with its 52-week high today. It texted, "Let's meet," but didn't RSVP. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. That wraps the movers. Let's summarize. Today's theme: selective strength, a few large names in autos, financials, and consumer-led gains while the index eased slightly. Watch two things tomorrow. First, how these leaders handle their resistance zones, Maruti at 14,201 rupees and Bajaj Finance at 1011 rupees. And second, whether FIIs continue to sell or if DIIs keep absorbing flows. If you found this useful, like the video, drop the stock on your watch list in the comments, and subscribe for Saturday uploads when retention tends to be best. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.